Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to reset your oil light on a Volkswagen Jetta. I know I showed this in the previous one, but this one is a little bit different. Same concept. You want to press the button right here and this right here to turn on, to get the menu to pop up, and you want to use these to navigate throughout the menu. All right? So first you want to turn off the car ignition. You want to press and hold that button while pressing the start. Alright, so I'm using my two hands, so I don't know if I can get to show you. So I'm pressing this now, and now I'm gonna go ahead and press this right here, and then you're gonna see that come up right there. You want to use these keys to navigate throughout the menu, you see, and you would press OK, and it reset the service. So now it said inspection. I'm gonna show you how to respec your inspection too. So you want to repeat the same process. So I'm gonna press this right here. First, turn on your four-way flash. That's the first way. Then you want to press this right here, and then you want to come down here and press that again, and that's gonna pop up right there. And you want to go ahead and navigate through the menu. So this is what you use to navigate to the menu. So you want to select OK, and then press OK right here. Alright, and that reset too. So now you can crank your car up, and you're good to go. You can turn it off, open the door to kill all the circuit, and crank it up, and you will see that it's reset. Alright, thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Help me help you. Give this video a thumbs up. Alright, see you next time.